Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to add search box and pagination in this our table. So how will we add that? So we are going to use datatables.net website. Okay, so this is the datatables.net website where we are going to use this links and then add a search box, this type of viewing entries and the pagination over here, and total number of entries it will show. So guys, let's integrate this in our CodeIgniter 4 series. So now to view this page, we have done this in the index.php file. So if you're continuing your series, you will understand, or else you can follow with your table design. So inside the table, we have an ID called user list. So let's remove this. We don't need this, and you can just tell this as my data table. Okay, data table over here. First we are going to create ID. So now let's get back to our data table website and copy the CDN link. So this is a CSS file, CSS CDN link. So copy this, right click copy, and get back to your code, and wherever you have called your script and link tag in your layouts. So let us paste over here. So I have called over here, and let me just paste that. So we have to call the link tag for it, link link, and let me just close with this. And over here you are going to tell href is equal to, and paste the link. Done. Let's close, but we need this style sheet to declare that. Done. And now guys, let's paste the script tag also. So over here below this bootstrap, I am going to include the script tag. So let us copy this script CDN link, and here we are going to put the script. So src is equal to where I am going to put. Now our data table has been linked successfully. Now let us see the third point about it. The code is to copy this and paste. So let's copy, and you can just mention below this only. So let us type script, and inside this I'm going to paste. And now over here you are going to change this name. So what will you put the name according to your requirement we have to put? So over here I have called my data table. Wherever you're going to give this pagination and all, so just mention with the hashed symbol, that is will be ID, recognized as ID, and copy this and go back over there and paste it here. That's it. Now it will be linked. Okay, so let's go back to a browser and let's refresh and see the output. Cool. So this is how you get the output of it. But this is bootstrap 5 we are using, right? As you see in my frontend.php file, over here we are using bootstrap 5, right? So let's go and search for bootstrap 5 over here if you require that. So let me click on examples, and where you can move to styling. So here is the styling, and inside the styling you can see 3, 4 and 5. So as per your requirement you can take. So let me just click on 5, and this is the preview and this is the design. So default design is something like this, which is this box also is so dull. And guys, over here you can see it's pretty nice. So let's click on JavaScript first, and you can see that jQuery CDN link we already have. Data table min.js we already took just now at the beginning, and now this is the code for bootstrap CDN link. So let's copy and get back and paste below your CDN link. Not this, where is it? Here it is, database. So let's paste that script src over here, and I'm going to paste that. So this is called data table. So let me just tell data tables CDN link. Save this, and now guys, what we have to do, we have to copy the CSS file, CSS links. So this is bootstrap min.css. We already have that, but we require data table bootstrap.min.css. So data table. So let's copy this and integrate in our link line. Okay, so let's call link link, where I'm going to link with the CSS and paste over here. That's it. Save this, and now let's execute and check. Let's get back and refresh the page. Over here you can see that design has been changed. Okay, so you can see that something is clashing, so it's giving like this, but you can manage with that. Just inspect and adjust your CSS files. So guys, in this video that's it about the design and everything about search box and pagination. So guys, let's see you in next video about in next topic. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.